Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I forgot to film an intro video, so you'll have to bear with me as I try the voiceover thing out. So I got to working on the Total Station this afternoon after we got the cabinets that you see there in the background hung and all the doors put on them. And so I decided that we need the miter extensions finished up so that we can start casing this house. I had the wood from the previous Total Station that did not work out, so I was able to reuse that and repurpose it for this one. I also get to take the Woodpecker's super fence for the maiden voyage. I did end up adding the bit of T-track there that I talked about in the Woodpecker part of the Total Station series, so that was cool. It worked out because these boards are like 8 inches wide or so. I'm using a 1/2 inch dado bit, 2 passes to make a 5/8 wide dado, and then that dado is what is used with like a toilet flange bolt to create a shop made stop for the miter saw. All went well. The feather boards worked out pretty decent. Dust collection didn't work out so good. I think it needs to have maybe something underneath. I don't know yet. I'm going to have to play around a little bit, but as you guys will see when I run the long wings through, there is dust everywhere. Lots of vacuuming, not too good. So here I'm moving the fence back quite a bit real quickly by just loosening it up and moving it back in the T-track. And then after I run the first pass, I'll double check the width, and then that's where the super fence micro adjust comes in handy, because now I can dial in to the exact width that I need. It worked out awesome. The micro adjust is super fine, so a couple turns on there does not move the fence a whole lot. It worked out just so that I could get a perfect 5/8 wide dado. So after a little vacuuming, I'll use the table saw to rip the other 2 pieces. Basically, I need to create the other half of the T-track, so I will rip it once at one width and then once at the other width to create the channel that I need for the T-track to work. So the last step is going to be to notch out the part that will actually register into the Total Station itself. After that, you'll see me use the 18 gauge, and I use some really small brads. I think there might have been like 3/4 brads, just to quickly assemble this good enough to use to trim the house out, and then I can take it back apart, pull the nails, stain these pieces, and then the bench will be complete. So in the last part of the video here, I'm putting the wings in. The last pieces I need to manufacture are going to be the legs for the extensions, just because we need to use this bench quick, fast, and in a hurry. I've got some little roller outfeed things that I've had forever, and those will work for temporary support. right, I'm gonna make this quick for a little wrap up just because the GoPro only has like 10% battery left. But we got the 2 wings made up today, so those are ready to go. I have my dado cut into them for the T-Track. Closer and closer every day. We're gonna start trimming tomorrow because we have a bunch of the interior doors installed and stuff. So we're gonna be running casing, and I wanted the wings on to make this hopefully as efficient as possible. So that's gonna probably be it for this video. I'll do a little voiceover at the beginning, but you guys already saw that, so no big deal. First run on the Woodpecker Super Fence went mint, so I just used a 1/2 inch flush cut bit, I guess, and you know, like a straight edge bit, and cut my dado, moved the fence over 1/8 to cut it again. That gives me a 5/8 inch pass. Life is good, the wings are on. After we're done trimming this house, I will pull everything apart that needs to be pulled apart, get some stain on it, and then the total station will be perfect. So very excited to get into the trim on this house and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.